So exercise 3.1, question number 4. Verify log 1 by x to the base a is equals to log x to the base 1 by a. So you see, let us take log 1 by x to the base a equals to y. So a to the power y will be equals to 1 by x. The formula, since log m to the base a equals to x implies a to the power x equals to m, no? So your m is your 1 by x here, and a to the power y is equals to 1 by x. So x to the power minus 1. Now x to the power minus 1 equals to a to the power y, so x will be equals to a to the power minus y. That means 1 by a to the power y means a to the power minus 1 into y, no? So a to the power minus 1 means 1 by a to the power y. So it is ultimately, can I write, if I take log in both sides, so it is log x to the base 1 by a is equals to y. So both are y. Okay, so it is equals to, therefore can I write log 1 by x into a to the base a is equals to log x to the base 1 by a, because both the things are same, y. Now you see question number 2, you have to show that a to the power log b to the base x equals to b to the power log a to the base x. So let this a to the power log b to the base x equals to k. Okay, now if I take log to the base b both the sides, it will be log to the base b, and this is a to the power log to the power log b to the base x. So it will be, this power will be come to before the log, so it will be log b to the power x to the base x into log this a to the base b equals to log k to the base b. Now bb, so it will be log a to the base x, formula used, log k b. So if I take b to the power this equals to k, b to the power this, this formula is used here. So k will be equals to, here m is equals to the power x, no? So k will be equals to b to the power this. So k equals to both of this. So I can write a to the power log b, a to the power log b to the base x equals to b to the power log a to the base x. Now question number 5. Show that log a to the power m to the base b to the power n equals to m by n log a to the base b. So it is LHS is taken, so m is the power, so power will become before the log, so log a to the base b to the power n. Now you see, we know the formula, log b to the base c is equals to log b to the base a divided by log c to the base a. So it is also log a to the base 10 divided by log b to the power n to the base 10. So it is m equals to log a to the base 10 equals to, divided by this n will come before the log, so n log b to the base 10. So it is equals to m divided by n, it is log a to the base 10 divided by log b to the base 10. So equals to m by n into log a to the base b. This formula again used. Okay. Don't get confused with b, a, c with this equation. This is the formula, okay, and this is the problem. So ultimately this is proved here. Now question number 5. If log b to the base root a into log c to the base root b into log a to the base root c is equals to x, then show that x equals to 8. You see, I can write this as 1 by log root a to the base b, because the formula is this. So into 1 by log root b to the base c into 1 by log root c to the base a equals to x. So ultimately this is root over of a means a to the power half. So half will come before the log. Here also half will come before the log. Here also half will come before the log. So ultimately this is 2 into 2 into 2. So 8 means 1 by 8 into this. Okay. Now you see, this is b, here also b, so it will be log a to the base c, and a it will come here, and here log c to the base a equals to x. So 8 divided by this is log a, so which is 1, so ultimately x equals to 8. This is proved here. Now question number 6, prove that this is equals to 1. So I will take the LHS side. So log 2 log base 3 log base 2 512. 512 is nothing but 2 to the power 9. So this 9 is the power, so 9 will come before the log. So ultimately this is log 2 to the base 2, it is 1, and 9 can be written as 3 square. So it will come before the log, so it will be log 2 to the base 2 log 3 to the base 3. So it is 1. So ultimately the answer is 1. Prove that this log 8 to the base root 2. So I will take the LHS. So here you see 8 base root 2. So this 8 can be written as root 2 to the power 6. It will be 2 to the power 3, so which is 8. So root 2